Share buybacks. A share buyback is the process in which a company purchases its own issued shares from shareholders, thus returning capital to its investors. In the instance of a public company, a buyback may occur if the directors believe that the shares are undervalued. The process should, in theory, increase the earnings per share ratio, or EPS for short, thereby elevating the market value of the remaining shares. For example, a public company with 1,000 shares and a net profit of £100,000 would have an EPS of £100. If the company had bought back 200 shares, the EPS would increase to £125. A share buyback can also eliminate any threat by shareholders who are looking to gain a controlling interest in a company. A buyback can be made against redeemable shares which are bought at the option of either the company or the specific shareholder after a certain period or on a fixed date. Alternatively, other classes of shares can be repurchased subject to agreement between the company and the shareholder. For the purposes of a limited company, a share buyback must comply with Part 8 of the Companies Act 2006, as amended by subsequent legislation. Further, a buyback is subject to certain exceptions as set out in Section 6592. Otherwise, the buyback is void. In this instance, the directors would be personally liable, which could involve facing up to 2 years in prison, an unlimited fine, or both. See Section 658. Please note, all statutory references in this tutorial are to the Companies Act 2006, unless specified otherwise.